Hello everyone, welcome to this video by LPT. In today's video, we are going to look at 50 words in 5 minutes. This will help you with your vocabulary skills. Students, I hope that you have done your homework here, which is like you have gone through these vocabulary words, and what I have done for you is that I have pinpointed these 50 words from the previous year papers of IPM, and I have compiled it in a list so that you have the access to these entire words in one go. Let's quickly look at the list here. The first one, of course, you have these 10 words. So you have ubiquitous, you have ambiguous, you have pragmatic. So you will find all this stuff here. So I'm sure you must be very much aware about this word pragmatic. You have altruistic, apathetic, ephemeral, obsolete, dogmatic, esoteric and lucid. So these are the words that have frequently appeared in IPMAT exams in the previous years. So you have a quick access here. Let's look at the next list of idioms and phrases. So you have some common idioms and phrases that form a part of almost all these BBA entrance examinations. So you have add fuel to the fire, meaning make a bad situation worse. You have miss the boat, which is miss an opportunity. Make sure that you have access to all these stuff. We will upload this in the description box. Make sure that you have access to it and you can revise all these words in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so you have jumped on the bandwagon, the ball is in your court. For example, this is a very common idiom that was asked, cost an arm and a leg, which is very expensive. Then you have once in a blue moon, something that means something that happens very rarely. You have cut corners, which is do something cheaply or badly to save money. Understand, students, all these lists have been compiled keeping in mind what is very relevant to the IPMAT Indore examination or other BBA entrance examinations. So I hope you find it interesting also, and you also make sure that you are going through all these 50 words from this particular PDF. Let's look at the next list here, which is foreign expressions. So there are some examinations जहाँ पे वो आपसे foreign expressions भी पूछते हैं. So I've compiled this lead here. So the first one that I would like to talk you about is ad hoc here, which is for a specific purposes. Then you have alma mater. I'm sure you know the description here. It's just that you need to compile everything together so that it makes your revision easier. Then you have status quo, a very frequently used foreign expression in newspapers and articles. So you have quid pro quo, vox populi, so voice of the people, again a very important expression. Mostly all of these lists has important and the most prominent ones, so make sure that you know each one of these with clear-cut clarity. Then you have en route, which is on the way. Then you have modus operandi, which is method of working of an organization or an institute. Of course, you have the last one, which is laissez-faire. It's a policy of minimal government interference. Make sure that you know these foreign expressions for your IPMAT preparation. We also have a look at one-word substitution words. We have already had some questions of one-word substitution before in the previous video. Let's look at this one. So a person who speaks many languages is a polyglot. One who is easily fooled is gullible. Then you have fear of confined spaces, fear of open spaces. I'm sure you would have done this with your vocabulary classes. Then you have something which is one who opposes war, which is a pacifist. You have one who knows everything, which is omniscient, and so on. The idea behind all these word collection is that you must be knowing these 50 words at least for your preparation. Make sure you know each one of them and you're revising it a number of times. And the last one, of course, you have some words here which was taken from the previous year paper. So you have erudite, which is scholarly or well educated. A very common word जो कि काफ़ी favorite है BBA entrance examinations में, succinct. You find the reference to many of these BBA entrance examinations. You have inundate, which is to flood or to overwhelm, and of course you have a very common word which is reticent, which means reserved and shy. See, understand, students, we will upload the PDF of this entire session in the description box. Make sure you access it and you have all of these things in your preparation. Just go through this and make sure that you are confident enough to deal with the vocabulary questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day, students. Bye.